Hey guys, I'm feeling very tired, so I thought, why not make you guys tired with me? We're going to be doing a relaxing video so that you can relax. I'm going to have a soft voice rather than my normal projecting voice. Alright, starting now, it's going to be soft. I'm going to be looking around, finding objects that I could use to make sounds that sound relaxing. Like, I don't know what I'm going for here. I just thought of white noise and this idea came to me. So, let's start. I'm gonna start off with putting this blanket over you guys. This is making sounds. Yarn. Oh, this would have been so nice if you could feel it. It's pretty soon. Why am I whispering? Sorry. Pretty soon, I'm going to be crocheting with this yarn and making a company called Yarnimals. I don't know why to stop there. So I made this in ArtQuest. It makes a really nice wooden sound. Listen to this. That sounds so nice. Okay. This was supposed to be a dreamsicle, popsicle. I messed up. Down here. That sounds nice. Ooh. Up here. This sounds so nice. Okay, none of this sounds like white noise at all, but it sounds awesome. What else? Tapping sounds are really nice. Okay. That makes such a nice sound. That is such a nice sound. Walking through the forest. I don't know why I'm doing this. This just sounds like footsteps, so you're walking through the forest. Okay. I don't know if this will sound good. Gambling. Let's go till we win. I'm going till I win. Finally won. I don't know if this will sound nice or not. Okay. Post-it note, pen. I'm not gonna turn it on. That was relaxing sounds. I don't know if I'm gonna make another one of these. It was really fun to make. I don't know if it was relaxing or not, but okay. See you guys in the next video. Hopefully you are relaxed. Oh, that sounds nice. hopefully you are relaxed. See you in the next video. Goodbye.